Before we cover the first process in the project cost management knowledge area, I'd like you to note that these processes interact with each other as well as with processes in other knowledge areas. On some projects, for instance, especially those of a smaller scope, cost estimating and cost budgeting are tightly linked and can be viewed as a single process that can be performed by a single person over a relatively short period of time. PMBOK lays these processes out separately because each has a different set of tools and techniques. So with the integrated nature of these processes in mind, let's look at the first process, Plan Cost Management, which establishes the policies, procedures, and documentation for planning, managing, expending, and controlling project costs. Some key inputs we use in this process are the project management plan, which includes the scope baseline. Remember that the scope baseline includes the project scope statement, WBS, and WBS dictionary. Another input is the schedule baseline, which defines the nature of the project and when project costs will be incurred. Also, the project charter is needed because it provides a budget summary from which the detailed costs on the project are developed. Some of the key tools and techniques for the planned cost management process include expert judgment, which provides valuable insight about the environment of the project and how we can look at and manage costs. Analytical techniques such as NPV, IRR, ROI, and payback period are often useful on projects, such as in the case where we want to know how long it will take to recover our money should we invest in a project. The payback period will tell us a specific time period in which we will recover our initial investment, and we can use this information to decide whether we should accept or reject the project based on the criteria of when we need to be paid back. Planning meetings are valuable in that we can leverage the knowledge and expertise of the project team to develop the cost management plan. The single desired output of this process is the cost management plan. Remember that the cost management plan is part of the overall project management plan and describes how project costs will be planned, structured, and controlled throughout the project. It's really a strategy document that will include but not limited to units of measure, levels of precision and accuracy, organizational procedures, control thresholds, and rules for performance measurement. It will also outline the format and frequency for the various cost reports that will be made available to various stakeholders.